in the middle of filming my base tutorial for y'all, but right now I'm gonna show y'all how I'm ready to do this little pink eye look. So just something cute for the quarantine, candy based. But when I think candy, I think like bright pink or whatever. It ain't really nothing special. I mean, it is because I'm special, but nothing heavy. I'm just taking this peach shade on this little Real Techniques brush. I already have like some concealer and stuff on my lid or like foundation, just something for it to stick to. And I'm going right in the crease and I'm blend it out. I'm going right in the crease and I'm blend it out. So just it's just like candy. So dance with me. See, real simple. We already have it done. Okay. So then I'm gonna mix this, and I'm gonna try to stick to just this palette so that, like I said, it's real simple. Just a cute little quarantine look. Boom. So I mixed them two, mostly this, but then I tap in that for some lightness. And I'm gonna put that on the lid, and it's not gonna be a cut crease or nothing, just and let's get a little creative. I'm gonna go in with what I want to do. I'm trying to decide, do I want this color or this color? I'm gonna go to this color, maybe a little bit of that. This color and a little bit of that. And I'm gonna go in my outer corner or whatever. And like I could have put more concealer and be like more pigmented, so you can do that if you want. But I just wanted something real simple, just very pink, so. And I actually am gonna put a little more concealer on the lid because so that color show up more, but other than that, I'm just letting it do what it do. See, she's pinker. So I'm mixing this shade with this. So it should be like a pink shade, but not have all that purpleness to it. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, it's kind of like a purple pink, but I want it to be like a pink, like pink.
Does that sound like something you want?
Yes.
Well, let me tell you, you'll never get it.
And at that moment, she knew she had messed up. So instead of just like throwing a temper tantrum about it, I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. It's like a maroon pink, whatever. I don't know my colors, but and that's working out just fine. This is so cute. So dance with me. And then I'm gonna go in and mix these two. And right here, I don't feel like that's showing up on camera. I'm really just trying to deepen it out, so I don't look. I be using anything. I'm gonna use these bronzers. Boom. Because I don't really want to add any like true purple to the look. I want it to look more warm than anything. So yeah. And I'm gonna mix this and this, I think, but mostly this. So just put the dark one just for so it'll be a little deeper. And I'm going right in. And you don't have to use all these colors, like I said. So if you don't have this palette, just something pink. I really just vibe with me. I mean, I ain't your mama. Just do what suits your vibe, bro. That's what life should be about, doing what suits your vibe. And I'm taking this other brush just because that brush is too colored. It's already a little pink on here, but I'm gonna go in with the peach shade and this tan shade just to like highlight my brow bone. And actually a little bit of this. This is like a peachy skin tone shade, but it got that peachiness to it. I don't know what it was supposed to be, but I'm gonna use it. Oh, this is cute. And I'm gonna go in more with that light tan. I guess these are all just supposed to be skin tone shades, but then what's this for? I don't know. So see, now I highlighted the brow bone. Then I'm just gonna go in with, this is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. It's basically gone. I'm really just using whatever's on here. Just, I could have used foundation for it. I just didn't feel like wasting foundation. And I'm going back in with that peach shade, the like straight up peach. That's what it should be called, straight up peach. And putting that in the middle. I taste just like candy. And I'm mixing it with that light fuchsia shade. So the peach and the fuchsia. Then I'm going, oh, I can go a little bit under here. Just for a little color. I'm gonna go back on that real light pink and like that bubblegum baby pink and just go over it just to lighten this up. Boom. She's cute. Now I'm gonna go do it to this eye and then I'm gonna come back for the inner corner highlight. So dance with me. Okay, so change of plans. I put some more concealer on. The pink I wanted was more like a mix between a red and a peach. So that's what I went ahead and did on this eye. And see, now I'm also feeling the fantasy. Hold on, I'm gonna mix that peach with that light tan shade like I did on the other. I just took what was ever on my brush and put that on the bottom lash. I don't know if I want to do colored lashes, which I ain't gonna be able to show y'all because I'm here to watch a video on my daggone self, and then maybe I can show y'all. Or my hair actually looks cute like this. This is cute. This is one way. This is fashion. Or do I want to do a glossy lid? Both. No, I can't do both of them. Can I? Can I? I'm stressing. I'm falling. I can't get up. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do. So this is a Oral Lust lip gloss. It's from Five Below. It is not a gloss at all. It's just like one of those. I'll show you. Look at it on my hand. That is not a gloss, love. Or at least not in my sense. It's dry. It's just a glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that like here, maybe. Oh, and a little bit. Okay, she's cute. She's cute. Oh, she's cute. So for a blush, I'm gonna go in with this and this to match my eye look. Oh, this looks so pretty. This looks so pretty. All right, so I went and I put a lot of blush and some freckles. I don't know if y'all can see. It's only like 4 of them, but let me see. Put some more. I'm gonna put some more. Oh, what's that more? I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so I look really cute, don't I? Don't I? Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to subliminally message y'all. But so yeah, I might as well show y'all the lip look since this is like a 4-minute video. Hey, I'm happy it's short. My videos keep being like 4 hours long, and it's driving me crazy. It's cause I talk so much. Cause I'm an only child. Now I'm gonna just go in with this fuchsia pink thing. Tap tap. I know this is crazy. This is not the color. This is not the final look. Don't be shook. Okay. I'm gonna oh wait. I didn't think that was gonna do what I wanted it to do anyway. Oh, I know what to do. Bro, when it comes to mixing lipstick shade, baby, I'm that girl. First of all, I forgot I had this, but this is not even what I was ready to grab. But that's cute for the middle, right? That's cute for the middle, but what I was really ready to come at y'all with is the mixing them red and to make it pink. Y'all don't even know yet, do you? You don't even know. You don't even know what you did. Yeah, I know I love you, but I can't. Yeah. I'm feeling my vibe. Vibe check. I'm feeling my vibe. I can see your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I will share it for today. So I'm gonna do a little more liner. Alright, y'all. I mean, this is the look. I'm gonna go outside and take pictures. Or I'm gonna stay right here and take pictures. I don't know. I might just stay right here, have a little photo shoot. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did like this video, then like this video. Press that button. I'm gonna try to put a green screen here of the like button, because press it, please. We need you here. Subscribe, click the bell icon, because I am putting out fire. Look at me. Bye, guys.